everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a Feelunique pick and mix sample service for April and they arrive in this bag here and they're in there. They're all Clarins. I think, no, 4 out of 5 items are Clarins that I've chosen. If you're new to this sample service and you want to learn a little bit more, then as always, carry on watching. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious and seeing what I've chosen, then you will find a timestamp down below in my comments, so you're free to flick forward. The pick and mix sample service is only available in the UK and you get to choose 5 samples once a month for free. You just pay £3.95 shipping, and when your samples are sent out to you, then you get the £3.95 credited back onto your account to be able to use against future purchases. You can't use it against the sample service or the subscription box, the beauty box, but you can use it against anything else. It's not a subscription, so you don't have to do it every single month. You just go on their website. You need to create an account. You have to have an account set up just with your email. Then you can just look for your samples as and when you want to. There's no particular date or anything that they are released. There's no like different edit every month. They just have a continuous flow of beauty products on their website, and randomly throughout the month they'll add a few newbies. Sometimes they have amazing samples, really great samples. If I spot them, I post them up everywhere. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, though I don't use Twitter much, but post them up on my YouTube community tab as well, because they tend to sell out super fast. This service is amazing if you want to try products before you actually go and purchase the full size, because sometimes you don't want to be spending 30, 40, 50 pound or more on a skincare or makeup product, and then you buy it and then you don't like it. So by doing it this way, you've got nothing to lose. You've got nothing to lose, because essentially you're getting these samples for free. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out or if you want to learn a little bit more, then please ask away. But let's get on to showing you what I chose. So starting off, I'll show you the product that isn't Clarins. This is Cerave and it's a cleanser. And this is a really nice size cleanser to try. It's 20 mils, so perfect for taking away somewhere. I actually got this for my daughter. She's doing what I'm doing in that I keep a little box full of little minis, so then if I'm going away for the night on holiday, then I delve in and I choose a cleanser, toner, moisturizer, SPF and makeup as well. She's doing it with her favourite products, and I saw this and I thought, you know, that is a really nice size to last a good few days if we go away anywhere. It's a really nice gentle cleanser. I use it myself. We have got a large version downstairs in our bathroom. The whole family uses it. But yeah, I just thought that would be nice to give to her. And then all the other products are by Clarins. I was influenced by a beautician I went to a couple of weeks ago. She did electrolysis on my face for me. I've got a load of makeup on, so you might not be able to see, but it's still red. She did advanced electrolysis on my chin and a little bit on my cheek there to get rid of sebaceous hyperplasia. They're lumps under the skin. Can't get rid of them unless they're melted away by electrolysis. It sounds disgusting, but yeah, they have gone down, but I'm still left with some lumps. Well, anyway, to cut a long story short, it's a Clarins salon, and I was like, oh. So while I was waiting, I was looking at all the makeup, all the skincare and everything, and yeah, I was in my element there. So then I went and chose my pick and mix sample service a couple of days later, and I decided to go for all element stuff. So first up, I've got a skin tone enhancing revitalizing day cream, and there's 5 mils here. So again, perfect for a night away. Oh my gosh, the amount of stuff I've got in my night away holiday box. I need to go away really, don't I? Because I've been doing this now for the last few years. I do dip into it. I went to Greece for a couple of days last year to buy my medication. Again, a long story. I'm on thyroid medication. It's cheaper to buy it over the counter in Greece than it is to get it in the UK here. But yeah, so I do dip into the box and I do bring things with me, but it keeps on totting up all the time because we get a lot of samples, don't we, in beauty boxes. So yeah, this sounds really nice. Skin tone enhancing. Oh, it's got a purple tint. Oh, this is going to be brilliant for brightening up my skin. It feels really nice. You might not be able to see much difference on my hand there. It is quite heavily fragranced, but that doesn't bother me. It just feels so nice. Yeah. Skin tone enhancing cream there. Next I got body firming. Although I don't know why I went for this. It's a body firming gel. This little thing and this very large, tall thing. It's not going to touch an elbow really, is it? Extra firming gel for targeted areas. Instant tightening effect. Firms and smooths. There's 8 mils. I'm sure I've tried this before, and I've tried it on a leg. I'm sure it's the same one. But again, you know, it's good to try, isn't it? Not enough to slaver all over my bottom then, but and like give instant lifting results. I don't think that will happen. Oh, it smells amazing. Oh, it smells absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, body firming, targeted gel. I didn't realise I went for 2 of them. Bit different, but still from the body firming range. But I've got an extra firming cream. Firms, soothes and nourishes. And 8 mils. Oh, I wonder if I could use that on my face. I don't know. Visibly firms, tightens and replenishes for skin that looks smoother. Its natural elasticity is visibly restored. Visibly improves skin's tone and energy. Nourishes and hydrates so skin looks more beautiful. Okay. Try a bit there. Oh, my hands are so dry. Oh, it feels nice. Yeah. Same scent as the gel, it is beautiful. It does say here with plant extracts. We've got a firming cream. And then last up, I have got a hand and nail treatment balm. Intensely nourishes, softens, targets age spots and strengthens nails. And there's 8 mils here. So really great sizes, aren't they? Because some of the samples in the Pick and Mix service are literally sachets, so one-use products. But something like this, you can get a few uses out of them. Let's try massage it in my hands. I've just had my nails re-gelled. It's my little treat. I don't go to the hair salon. I don't have any lashes. I don't have anything else basically. I do my own hair. But the one treat I do treat myself to is gel nails. And I love it. Look. Can you see my new ones? They're great. I love them. I look up Pinterest the morning before I go and I'm like, right, those ones please. And Zoe is amazing. The girl that does it, she's really, really good. Yeah, it feels nice. Oh, it smells nice as well. It's a bergamot. I'm not too sure. So yeah, so I've got a hand and nail balm there. So those are all the products that I've chosen in this month's Pick and Mix sample service. I'll just gather them all up. So I've got a cleanser by Cerave, and then I've got 4 Clarins products. I've got a firming body gel, a firming body cream, I've got a skin enhancing day cream, and I've got a nail and hand balm. Not bad for free. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this service? Have you picked up some great samples recently if you've used the service? Or are you learning about this for the first time? What do you think of it? Or are you going to be checking it out? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.